Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and this video is going to be something a little bit different. So just the other week I recorded a quick video for one of our clients. He's really new in the carpet cleaning industry. He's really struggling to kind of get his schedule filled, and he's really trying to figure everything out. And so I recorded him like a quick video of my thoughts and ideas and through my own experience of working with hundreds of carpet cleaners all over the world, and what I thought needed to happen in terms of working with us and our marketing campaign and in general to take his business to that next level. I sent it over to him and I rewatched it and I just thought there's so many value bombs in this video. Like, I need to drop this on the YouTube channel. Like, literally in this video I literally cover all the main points required, all the hacks, cracks, everything to take your floor cleaning business to that next level. There were so many value bombs I thought I just need to drop this on the YouTube channel. So this video is action packed, it's value packed, and I think you're going to absolutely love it. There's a lot of stuff in here that hopefully you'll be able to use in your own business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I'm the owner of AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only: getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's talk about special offers. So how Facebook advertising works. It's like an impulse buy. Imagine you need to go to the store and you need to buy some bottles of water, some spring water, some mineral water. So you go to the store, you get the water, and just as you're about to hit the checkout, there's a big billboard, a big sign, and it's buy one, get one free on the chocolate. And this deal, it's gonna end tomorrow. And like, if you buy 2 bars of chocolate, you are gonna get 4 for the price of 2, and it's going to end tomorrow. And you never intended to buy chocolate, you came for water, but this offer's so good, it's so tempting, and you have that fear of missing out. I'd be stupid not to get this, I'm getting chocolate half price, and so that chocolate ends up in your basket. It wasn't your intention to buy it, you didn't go there to buy it, you weren't looking to buy it, but it was an impulse buy. In the moment, you saw the offer and you went for it. That's how Facebook advertising works. A lot of these people are not searching for carpet cleaning. If they were looking for carpet cleaning, they'd be on Google looking at carpet cleaner New York, right? If they were actually looking for it, they wouldn't be on Facebook hoping that they might get targeted with an ad. They'd be on Google. So with Facebook, it's like an impulse buy. We're putting a billboard in front of these people, like a huge digital billboard, and we're capturing their attention with like a really sensational video with the dirty carpet being miraculously cleaned. And you know, you've got like literally, you know, like there is so many people vying for each person's attention on Facebook. All of their friends with their holiday and vacation pictures that they're uploading, all the videos of cute cats and dogs, thousands of other advertisers trying to grab their attention to get their money off of them with other ads and stuff like that. So you have one shot and you have a matter of seconds to stop them from scrolling, take a step back and think, like as if you were in the store, like, oh wow, this offer's like amazing. I would be like foolish not to do this offer. I would be absolutely stupid not to click on this ad. It's such a good offer. And so that's why the special offer, it really needs to be on point, because you've just got that matter of seconds and it really needs to grab their attention. This is going to be an impulse buy for these people and we just need to get them on the end of the fishing rod. Okay, let's run through it. Your special offer at the moment, the headline, $99 plus tax for 1 room. That's not really an attention grabbing, like by the balls, like wow, that's an amazing offer, is it? Let's be straight with each other. It's not. You're just going to get 1 room of carpet cleaning. It's $100. Oh, by the way, that's not actually the final price. There's like tax on that as well. It's actually going to cost you like a lot more. You're just not going to get anybody clicking on it. And you need some kind of like freebie. You need something like a hook that's going to stop people in their tracks on Facebook and get them clicking. So it's really about like, what can I do for free that's not going to cost me much money, that's going to get me a foot in the door, I can then upsell, reclaim that money back, and then using our system, we can turn them into a repeat business customer. And although you might have done that first job a bit cheaper than you normally would, like we're going to text them every 3 months on autopilot and email them every month too. So hopefully that customer will book with you maybe a few times more over the next year or two. And actually the value of that customer that we generated for you, it won't just be the value of this initial job. It might be several $100s, maybe several $1,000s if they've used you several times over the course of the year, if you've upsold them whilst in the property, and if you've got an amazing referral scheme, they've brought you customers as well. The value of this one customer is way, way higher long term than this initial deal. Sometimes you have to speculate to accumulate. Sometimes you have to have what's called a loss leader. Basically, you have to maybe get a little bit less to get a bit more in the long run, if that makes sense. So it's about what can we throw in here, right? So I'm not too sure what we have in your ad right now, but you could do like free odor treatment. That's like a little chemical, probably doesn't cost you much, and you can throw it in by the gallon. Another one is like free hallway. So you could do like free hallway on each of these. And then what you do is, you can put in here like something like minimum hall length equals, and then you put in some like square footage or whatever. So that way you're not getting your ass kicked, you're not getting stung by doing like a hallway that's the size of a football pitch for free. It's just a small hallway. Anything beyond that, there's like an extra payment. But on paper, like psychologically, when people see that in the news feed, in the ad, in the headline, it's like, wow, and I'm getting a free hallway. That's an amazing deal, right? That's cool. Or I'm going to get a free odor treatment and it's going to make my carpet smell nice. Amazing. Getting that thrown in as part of the deal. So the best way to figure out what to give away for free, I don't know how long you've been in business, but if you have a CRM or some kind of like sales management system, if you're able to look at what you've sold the most of in the last 12 months, this is really going to help us figure it out. If it turns out like the most requested add-on that you've had in the last 12 months is a hallway, well, let's give away a free hallway. If the most requested treatment that you've had been asked in the last year has been a spotting kit or a stain treatment, let's do a free stain treatment in one room. If it's odor treatment or deodorizer, that's the number one thing people want in your experience, in your time of doing this so far, let's put that in as the 3B. So let's give people what they want based on your data. If you don't have that data, I would go with a free hallway, which has got a maximum length size so you don't get your butt kicked, or I would go with a free odor treatment. It's reasonably cheap. You buy it by the gallon, it gets diluted, and you run it over the carpet while you're cleaning it anyway, so it's not a big drama. So that's what we need to do here. It's an impulse buy. Facebook is we need to grab them by the balls, and $99 plus tax for one room as the headline isn't going to grab people by the balls. But maybe 3 rooms of carpet cleaning and a free hallway for X dollars just might. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, then head again down to the description below where you'll find a link to get more information on all that cool stuff and schedule a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.